Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to connect your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop to two monitors at once. In order to connect two monitors at once to this laptop, you're either gonna need two monitors that support a DisplayPort connection types, or one monitor with HDMI support and one with DisplayPort connection type, or an adapter of your preference. So for example, USB Type-C to HDMI adapter will do a great job. So you just connect an HDMI adapter to your USB Type-C port, and this way you'll be able to use, for example, two monitors with HDMI connection types. And let me show you what I mean by that. So here on the left edge of this laptop, we actually have three different ports. Each of them support a monitor connection. So basically we can even have like three monitors connected to this laptop at once. But to connect a monitor to a laptop, we either have to connect it using the HDMI port or the DisplayPort to a USB Type-C. So you either connect one end of the HDMI cable into this port and the other one into your monitor, or you insert a USB Type-C part of the DisplayPort into one of these two ports. They are both 10 gigabytes per second transmission matter, and after that, after connecting two monitors using one of the available configurations, cable configurations, you're gonna have to insert both of the monitors power cables into the power outlet so that they are both powered. And after that, once everything is connected, you're gonna have to open the projection menu on your laptop, which you can do by either pressing F1 button, which opens a projection menu on your laptop, or you can also use Fn and F1 combination of keys, though it will only matters if you have this LED indicator turned on in the top right corner of your Fn button. This simply means that your function keys are switched to a different mode, and if you see this LED indicator here, then F1 button will actually open the help menu, which is not what we're looking for. And so now we're gonna have to press Fn and left shift button simultaneously, and then we'll be able to use F1 by itself. And if you prefer this function keys mode, you just have to hold down Fn and press F1 with it to open this menu. Alternatively, you can also use Windows and P combination of keys to open the same menu. And once you've opened this menu, you're gonna have to select one of the projection types. So here, as you can see, we have four. Now the first one is not a projection type. The first one actually means that the projection is disabled. So the display is only displayed right here on this screen. And if we select duplicate, it will duplicate the image from this screen to the monitors. The extend option will extend the image or your basically desktop between three different monitors, and second screen only will only display the image on your monitors and not on this laptop. And so yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.